Hello everybody, welcome back. Another quick AI video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to turn any image into a scalable vector graphic, or how to vectorize any image. In this case, we're going to use a PNG, but this works for JPGs or JPEGs as well. So here we go. Here's an example. I uploaded this image here. I just made it on Midjourney. It's a PNG, and then I just downloaded it, converted it, and look at this. Inside Adobe Illustrator, here it is. And I mean, it has done a fantastic job. It even kept all the wording correctly. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to do it. It should take about 30 seconds. Let's roll. All right, so this is Adobe Express. It's completely free to use. It may ask you to log in, but you do not have to pay. It even says here there's no credit card, free to use. It is a little tricky to find, so I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that you have a link to this. I'll put it in the description below, and all you got to do, click on upload your photo, and then go into your Finder or your File Explorer, whatever you're using. Grab your image. This one here is a PNG. I'm just going to drag and drop it in here. And literally, that is it. It'll go ahead and vectorize it. I'll come back when it's done, load it in Illustrator, show you what we got, and call it a day. All right, so it's gone ahead and done it. All we got to do is click on download, and presto, it has been downloaded. Then I'm just going to open up the folder where it is, and here it is. Let's go with this guy right here. Then I'm going to go to Adobe Illustrator. I'm just going to grab that file right here, drag and drop it in. Hopefully I do this right. And presto, look at that. That is a scalable vector graphic, and that is frigging good. And if I click on the layers here and I drop that down, look at that. There's hundreds of different paths here. This is fantastic work by Adobe, completely free. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.